is the Jigsaw puzzle. It was raining and children was bored because they can't play the crispy, and Mom had some idea, and she gave the children a jigsaw puzzle, and they will play the jigsaw puzzle, and children came bored, and that time the magic key began to glow, and magic key took them and children back in time, and they met boys and girls' name is Jace, and boy's name is Edmond. And Edmond asked what is a plate, and it wasn't a plate, it was crispy, and they played the crispy, and some men shouted, and the soldiers coming, and Edmond's fathers and their family went into their house, and they went to the secret room, and it was behind the library. And that time soldiers crashed the door, and one of soldiers find the Edmund's father's sword, and they think the Edmund's father were in the house.